igcse Computer Science Paper 2, Databases. First question, this is a database table. It's called performance, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are records and these are fields. Okay, so number of fields is 5 and records are 8. Two validation checks that could be performed on the show number field. So it could be presence check, or it could be format code. This is a specific type of format, like 2 letters and then 3 numbers, SN and then 3 numbers. So presence and format. Yes, field 5, records 8, presence check and format check. Use the query by example grid to write a query to identify the jazz performances that are not sold out. Only display the date and the title. So the type is jazz, sold out is false, and date and title are to be shown. So it will be said like jazz and false for sold out. Okay. A database table trees is used to keep a record of the trees in a park. So this has number of fields. A field is this and the records are this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fields. So this system uses TN and then followed by 3 digits. It will not work, the system will not work if there are more than 1000 trees, because only 3 digits. So we must change it in a way to let it store a number of trees more than that, but the existing trees numbers should not be changed. Like this must stay like this. Only the ones after 1000 will change, are different to the format. So for that answer is a code that will allow more than 1000 values. And then we should give an example. So this and this, use a new character instead of n. So like TN532 instead of n. For the ones that are more than 1000, we could switch it with T. So T345, for example. So the n has been replaced. Okay, and for the query by example, we have to identify trees at risk over 100 years old, and we should only display type and position. So there are 4. At risk is true, so it's boolean, so true or false, and at risk is true, and age is 100 years old, and we should display type, so show type and map position. Okay, the database table PC stock, so it's showing either desktop tablet or laptop, and this is the price is the type of data. It could be currency, as you may know. So price will go in order. the data type for this is string or text. Here it is written text, could also be string. And screen size is a number, and the type is text. Well, it's not boolean, it's not written. The answer is not boolean, but I'm not sure because there are only two options. DT. Oh no, sorry. No, it can't be boolean because there are three options: desktop, tablet, and laptop. Oh, wait, desktop, tablet, and laptop. Okay, so the answer for this is PCID is text, screen size is number, type is also text because it's not boolean. And there are three options, not yes and no, and price is currency. And for the query by example, to identify all the desktop computers and the hard drive must be larger than 1000 GB. All the fields in the table should be shown, so all of them, and in descending order by price. So we tick all of them, descending order of price, and 1000 GB hard disk drive, more than that. So hard disk drive is more than 1000 GB, and it says desktop computer, so DT. And over here on this question, the table is called portrait. These are the fields, the data type. We will find that out now. So basically, the unique reference number is pic NNN, and so 3 digits after a pic. And the studio keeps a record of the size. For example, this could be the size that is in that field or record, and the type is black and white or color. So let's see if black and white or color. There are two options, black and white, or the other option is color. Let's see if the type is boolean or not. So the type over here, the answer, the type is text or boolean. So it can be black or white, or color can be a text or boolean because there are yes or no, two options. The reference number would be a text, size would be a text as written here 20 by 15. Reference number would be like this or like this, and price would be number or currency data type. Price is in dollars. Okay, so we have to find three errors in this query by example. We should show reference number, price, type, and size of all portraits under 50. So these are the four things. Under 50, so the first error is wrong. This should be this way, and it says show the reference number, price, type, and size of all portraits. And the type over here is not ticked. That's another mistake. And another mistake is reference number, as it says show the reference number, but the field name is wrong. Here it's written reference numbers, so we just that's another mistake. Yeah, so reference number, the sign should be this way, and type is not checked, which is another mistake. Okay, a database table is called sheep, and basically there are four field things we have to write, to say the names and give the data types and a data sample. For like an example, a kilograms The weight would be, example, like in a number. Example, what is the normal weight of a sheep? I don't know. Could be like 50 or something, 50 kg. I don't know. Okay. So the four fields, field 1 name, field 2 name, field 3 and 4, they are unique ear tag, um, date of birth, gender, and the weight, the current weight in kilograms. So those are the names, and the type is, for the ear tag it's text, date of birth is date because date, like example this, and gender is a text, weight is a number. For example, this format would be a text like EAR, year 1111. This would be a text. The date of birth would be a date. The gender would be a text, and the current weight would be a number. And these are just examples. Like year 1011 is a date, M 5.9. For this question, state why the field that state the field that you choose as the primary key. So a unique ear tag, so it's unique, that's why we'll use that as the primary key. So ear tag, this one. And for the query by example one, to identify ear tags of all male sheep weighing over 10 kilograms and display only the ear tags. So ear tags should only be ticked, and gender should be male, weight is more than 10, over 10 kilograms of all male sheep. Okay, next question. A television TV store has a database TV stock, that's the name, and there's the table. State the type of the field TV ID and give a reason or your choice. So this is the primary key because it is unique for each TV. As the primary key field with unique data. Okay. Complete the table with the most appropriate type data type for each field. So screen size, 3D, curved, flat, internet, HDD, price. Screen size would be a number. 3D is boolean, yes or no. Curved, flat is text. Example here, curved, flat. This could be called the text. This is also text. This is a number. This is boolean. This is text. This is boolean, and currency. So yeah, price is currency. And for the query by examples, provide a list of all the curved screens. So they have a curved screen that have a built-in HDD. Only display TV ID, price, and the screen size in ascending order. So TV ID, size, and the price must be in ascending order. HDD is yes, and they should have built-in HDD and hard disk drive, and curved flat should be CV, curved flat. As over here it's CV or FT, so it must be CV for curve. curved screen. Sorry, not flat. Thank you.